Yesterday, I was updating the page about alternatives analysis at pmri.in website. That helped me to retrospect through that topic, and a lot of revelations or a lot of insights about alternatives analysis. The first thing is alternatives, I recalled it, or I renamed it as alternatives analysis for X. And the X stands for the purpose and in the phase in which we are performing alternatives analysis. During the pre-initiation phases of the project, alternatives analysis can be performed to pick up the right projects to decide the portfolio of the project or the portfolio of projects of your organization. So we come out with various project ideas. We work out the business case or the net present values and the payback periods, and we compare among them to pick up the right projects which are in true alignment to the organization strategy. There we perform alternatives analysis, that is pre-initiation phases. And during the initiation phase, also we perform alternatives analysis, like should we appoint our project managers or should we hire a project management company or a PMC to do that. The various aspects, there are opportunities for performing alternatives analysis during the initiation phase, and the planning phase of the project that opens up a lot of opportunities for alternatives analysis, like which scheduling tool to use. How do we source the manpower? So alternatives analysis for tools, alternatives analysis for manpower, alternatives analysis for material, alternatives analysis for procurement strategies, alternatives analysis for manpower mobilization, alternatives analysis for machines, alternatives analysis for monitoring and controlling or the progress monitoring of the project itself. And this continues till the end of the project. When I say end of the project, it is not just the completion of the project, it goes up to the decommissioning of the product of the project. So alternatives analysis starts with the pre-initiation phases and continues through the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing phases of the project. And even beyond the closing, as we discussed, the decommissioning, or if you are in product development, it gets into the marketing strategies and all those things. And another application of alternatives analysis, high intense application of alternatives analysis I've seen is during the planning meetings of agile teams. So when you are in the sprint planning meeting or in the iteration planning meeting, during the estimation or while playing poker, and when we come out with the story points and the estimation time, each individual have they come out with their own logic and they come out with their own estimates. And while converging these things, they perform this alternative analysis. What are the merits and demerits of each logic? And then they discuss and debate sometimes, and then converge. Tremendous implementation or application of alternatives analysis we can see in good agile teams. I've provided the link to the page about alternatives analysis at the description of this video. So you want to learn more about it, click on it, and please visit the page at Project Management Research Institute. And that will give you more insights about alternatives analysis. And I'm updating the page at least on a weekly basis. So yeah, that is getting better and better. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.